citizens, where we have already allotted 3,000 square meters.
So I
and still this is what I mean. I have to take the state advantage. And ML is on record that he has already got rid of IRP collector now. Now it is for you to actually, as a witness commander, to actually put that in the proper perspective. She has said that common burial ground thing is in the laboratory land. Now, resolution has to be that we oppose to this. Number one. Secondly, also, I have heard that there is a Sunburn festival that is coming in South Goa. Sunburn festival. आता ते Sunburn festival आमगेले थिंगाय आवश्यक शकता ते. आणि आज आमगेलो आमदार आमचे बसलो. My question to the MLA, actually to the Sarpanch, that you get clarification. आता वो Sunburn आमगे कितोरे जावपाक शकता? आता हांवें कितें भाशेन IDC लँड इन्स्टिट्यूट थिंग जाता. IDC चेअरमॅन आमगेलो आमदार आमचे फुले आहा. तूं हेजेर मातशें क्लॅरिफिकेशन घे. कळटा न्हू? बिकॉज वी डोंट वॉन्ट Sunburn. आम बंद जाता पुरो आमकां Sunburn नाका. सो आनी कॉमन बॅरियर लँड म्हणटा तें करपाक ना. भितर हांवें डू नॉट कोणाक ते कोणाक यूज आफ्टर दीस लँड. हो पळय सद्याक 3 लाख जमीन पळय हो दिलो गिफ्टीड. बाय वन डॉक्टर फ्लोरियान डिमेलो मुख्यच नांव कोणाचें तो MP पळय पुर्तुगीज असेंब्ली तेणें हो लॅब्रोटरी लँड दिल्लें लोकांक आसा. आतां थिंगा गव्हर्नमेंट IRP घालूं शकता. IRP म्हाका दिसता अजून तें कॅन्सील जालें ना. आनी हिंगा आमगेलो बरो सिनियर ग्रामसभा मेंबर एप्रिशिएट करता की और रिप्लाय येयलो म्हणून. आय फायंड इट रिडिक्युलस. आमगे तर हिंगा ग्रामसभा हे कितल्यो ग्रामसभा केल्यो आनी तेजे तर एक डेफिनेटिव्ह टाइम फ्रेम कर मेळना. इट इज युजलेस. इट इज टोटली युजलेस. तूं खबर आसतलें तूं गेल्ल्या पाडी बडीन आसलो. गेल्ल्या पाडी कितले पाडी थिंगा IRP सर्वे करपाक आयले. सायमन गेलो. हांव सायमन थिंग पळयलें. ती 2 फावटी मिडिया बी हाडल्याचो एकदम हाडलो मिडिया दाखोवन आमी हायलायट केले. आनी थिंगा 2 फावटी ग्रामसभा जाल्यो. 2 ग्रामसभा ऑपोजिशन जाला. ऑपोज केला दॅट वी शुड डोंट वॉन्ट IRP. आज पासून सेम स्टेटस. And really surprising for me, Gramsabha member at least positive reply. Positive reply is not the end of the story. After 17 years, we need a definitive answer. Sadhyak amgelo amdar hamo ruling ama. If they can have दोन वर्षां जाली 2022 May 10th result येयलो. आज 2024 आमी जुलय 4 गेले. कितें केलें तुमी? हे बॉडी काय कितें? आज तुमगेल्याचो 1 2 3 4 5 मेंबर आहे. एक पाड 4 आसता एक पाड 3 आसता. तुमी केलें कितें बॉडी? तुमी लोकांक फकाण करताय. आनी आय एम सरप्रायज दॅट सिनियर ग्रामसभा मेंबराक चान्स म्हणटा तुमी तुमकां एक पॉझिटिव्ह रिप्लाय मेळ्ळो. सो तुमकां आतां हेजेर तूं MLA कडेन काय तूं MLA कडेन रिप्लाय घे. तूं MLA कडेन एश्युरन्स घे. बाबा हे केन्ना आमकां एक MRI फॅसिलिटी जातली डेफिनेटिव्ह टायम सारकें मरे सारकें सारकें आनी सेकंडली आमी ओपोज करताय हे Sunburn बॉडीक जावपाक सावथ गोवा. आनी हेजेरूय तुवें IDC चेअरमॅना कडेन क्लॅरिफिकेशन घे.
बॅरियर ग्राउंड म्हणटात आमी फर्स्ट प्रपोजल हांवें घायलो की कार्बी कपलाचो सेमेट्री करपाक. आनी हांवें एक्सप्लेन केलें सरपंच. आय एम शॉक पाच वर्सां जाता आपल्या खबर ना म्हणून तुका एक्सप्लेन केला की आमी कार्बी कपला कडेन हेज्या मुखार रिक्वेस्ट जाला एक सेमेट्री करपाक. ती भितर म्हाका हो मनीस स्वता येता येतलो. स्वता येता एक कॉमन बॅरियर ग्राउंड गाडी हाडून. सो आमी ती एडवांटेज घेयली की ती एक सेमेट्री आहा. सेमेट्री आहा आनी सेमेट्री आहा म्हणून कार्बी कपला कडेन एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिया. आनी तेंकाय जाता जाल्यार एक इल्लो अमेंडमेंट केलें 500 square meters. But kide without the correctness commission that can set up, and that even Gramsabha can set up. Whatever, there is no problem. I have no personal interest. With good intentions, I mean a cemetery will call. I have asked for 3,000 square meters for a cemetery of Army Government with a small area to be given for common burial ground with a separate entry. 1,000 degree, 500 degree, that we can discuss easier. But so what I am saying, Because there was already an existing cemetery there. That is not their topic here. Otherwise their topic does not have. I have no problem if somebody opposes it or if somebody says whatever you want. Lord is said. What is done for 2 years, you all are bullshit, I am bullshit, everybody is bullshit, but little one thing. But what stands to be done is that finally, end of the day, तीन things जातात. आम्ही IRB प्रोजेक्ट दिसतो शिगमो काय म्हणता है IRB प्रोजेक्ट काम ओपोज केला आणि जो काही कोणा दुखवता जाल्यार आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना I am not bothered. But I have only want to tell you that IRB project we have cleared it. We have said we don't want it. We are waiting for a cabinet resolution to take away the debt. Now all this will help that resolution, cabinet resolution to do everything. Now my request is to the Gramsabha at 2 minutes, if you can listen to this gentleman who has come. You will take whatever decision you want, because I think that we should be human. कोणा जो तरी बोलता त्या जो तरी पूर्वक मात दिसता आम्ही हे डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय. If you don't want to take, we have no problem. But act on. There is nothing personal. Everything I later केल्या separate even कार्मिक आपला को आमकां एक cemetery दिवून एक मुखार आमकां बरी गोष्ट आहे. एक cemetery दिवप. So मुगे विशा मुगे रिक्वेस्ट आसा that just to look at it sympathetically, because it is all going to be finally other religions still kind of on it. Only Catholics and the Collectors Commission will do. You can say what you want, there is no problem. I will not be able to stay here because I have to go somewhere. Yeah.
It is written common correct.
One second. Whatever it is, we can ask for clarifications. There are no issues. We can see all that. But it is with good intent I want to tell you. Let somebody criticize me, let somebody say whatever they want. Let somebody say we are doing bullshit. And for 2 years we were doing bullshit. No problem. But one thing is sure, what work we do and what work bullshit does, it is seen everywhere. So there is no problem. I am free, I am just putting my view forward. If you want to listen to me, let me listen to him. If you don't want to listen to him, don't listen to him.